VST here, guys. Velocity Some Helper, a very interesting tool. Just got a new version, or at least I learned about this. But when you query, go to about Some Helper, you can see that there is a version already 2.7. So, and if you don't know really what Some Helper is, guys, this is, oh my god, Some Helper is so nice. It's a tool built by some Chinese guy, which I don't know who this guy is, but really kudos. I'm gonna leave down below a link into the video description where you can get it, guys. Basically, what you can do with the Some Helper, plenty of things. In order to get some of these tweaks working, like for example, to get this nice sweet animation speed change, you need to install additional tools like Shizuko, right, to make sure that you're able to run ADB commands directly on your phone. And I did a whole video about this, how this works, right? There are plenty of options, guys. By the way, you are also able to change the screen mode directly from here without again having these annoying ADB commands and hooking up your PC anyway to the phone and etc. So screen refresh rate is also another thing. We have three options: the standard one, the seamless one, which I'm right now using, and also the maximal one, guys. So let's say you want to go and use maximal 120. Of course, again, for those things, like for these tweaks, you're gonna need to run Shizuko on your phone, and I've done videos about this, and it's really not rocket science, guys. But there are plenty of other things, like for example, phone information. You can just go and check really some hardcore data. Also, guys, some secret function, right, that you actually need to type in manually to just get some more information. And there is something that did not exist before, which really blew my mind. So let me just go directly and show this to you guys. If I am to go back, there is something called the lock and labs. Like, what? I was like scratching the head. What is Lock and Labs? So it says good luck in Galaxy Labs. So in fact, guys, let me present the Lock and Labs, which is right now, I think, the one manager that combines everything from good luck. So you can just see all the modules like Lockstar, Quickstar, Clockface, Navstar, whatsoever, Theme Park, Keys Cafe, and then, guys, you can just see the battery tracker, right? Which is also quite nice. And the battery tracker is not necessarily part of good luck, right? Because it is an option, standalone model from the Good Guardians. You have the Battery Guardian, you have the Up Booster with some fancy icons, by the way, the Memory Guardian, the Media Guardian, the Task Changer, Edge Lighting, File Guardian, and it is all just in this menu, which I think is quite nice. You can also try to reorder them, and you have this very fancy App Manager. So sometimes, guys, when I get some new updates, people are asking me to export application. Now with this here, you can just go and boom, export whatever app you want as an APK, or let's say you can copy the package name. You can also uninstall it, and there is also the double install. If you have Shizuko, guys, you are able to run multiple apps of the same application. Then of course there is this about phone, which will also give some nice information. And in general, guys, the Some Helper is just getting more and more functions. Of course, there are also the theme tools, right? And you can just see there are plenty of things that you can directly use, that things that I just designed, let's say, with one of the models from Good Luck, like the Theme Park whatsoever. So you can now use them there. You can install font, so it's really good. And I'm just telling you guys, if you want to get a bit more information on your phone, then yeah, why not try to use Some Helper? Please, of course, proceed with caution. And if you like videos like this, guys, you might want to sub for the channel. Anyway, what else can you do, right? It's 38 degrees out there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. VST over and bye.